Let's move on to the sentence stress. We are going to talk about stressed and unstressed words in a sentence to make your speech sound more interesting, with ups and downs. Then we are going to talk about how to divide thought groups to make your speech easier to understand. Sentence stress is like rhythm in music. It gives the English the rhythm or the beat to make English sound more interesting. And this is a little bit different from Vietnamese. The sentence stress also helps the sentences easier to understand. Try reading these sentences. Can you guess what these sentences or phrases really are? Let me read these phrases and sentences without any stress. Do we know you? Do we know you? Now, let's try adding the stress on it. Do we know you? Do we know you? Is it easier to understand now? Let's try with the other sentences. Pause the video and try saying those first. Okay, sentence number 2. You're part of it. No stress. You're part of it. With stress. You're part of it. You are part of it. Number 3, no stress. Chocolate ice cream. Chocolate ice cream. With stress, chocolate ice cream. Chocolate ice cream. Number 4. I've got a brand new key. I got a brand new key. With stress, I've got a brand new key. I've got a brand new key. Do the stress make these sentences easier to understand? Okay, but how to stress on the words? How do we know which words should we stress on? Well, most sentences have keywords and structure words. Keywords carry the meaning of the sentences. For example, sell, car, gone, France. With these 4 words, we can understand what the sentence is about. Maybe not fully, but we understand the core message here. The structure words make the sentence correct grammatically and link the keywords together. Sell my car, I've gone to France. So together, will you sell my car because I've gone to France? The keywords are sell, car, gone, France. You will stress on these keywords. When you stress, try to say it louder, longer, and in a higher pitch. For the structure words, try to speak through them very quickly. Will you sell my car because I've gone to France? You see, only those 4 words are clear. Will you sell my car because I've gone to France? Try saying it yourself. So as I said, the keywords are usually stressed, and structure words are usually read through very quickly. What are the keywords in a sentence? The keywords are usually main verbs, nouns, adjectives, or adverbs, and negative auxiliary as well. For example, like don't, aren't, can't. And structure words are words like pronouns, prepositions, articles, conjunctions, which mean the linking words, and auxiliary verbs. Let's see these examples. I can't call you yet, but I'm going to call you tomorrow. No stress? Now, let's try with stress. I can't call you yet, but I'm going to call you tomorrow. Do you feel the differences? Let's try again. I can't call you yet, but I'm going to call you tomorrow. Stress on the keywords. Read quickly through the structure words. Try reading this sentence yourself. Now, there are special cases when you want to emphasize something. You stress on that word. In these cases, we wouldn't think about the keywords and the structure words anymore. You just think about what you want to stress on the most. And different stressed words can lead to different meanings. Let's see this example. I didn't say he stole the money. 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 Or, I didn't say he stole the money. These sentences are stressed on different words, and that could lead to different meanings. So be careful of your stress.
Put the X here. Put the axe here. Can I borrow a pen? Can I borrow a pan? Look at the men. Look at the man. I'm sending the table. I'm sanding the table. It's a lovely gem. It's a lovely jam. We had bread for lunch. We had Brad for lunch.